Hello guys, today I am sharing you how to post a web 2.0 on the site Wix. So first of all we have to click on create new post. Then here is the part when we paste our title, simply paste the title. Then come to this part. Here is my web 2.0 sub article. So just you have to simply copy paste this till the end and can copy that and click on the site and simply control V, and here is all of your web 2.0 content on simply paste. Then click on the plus signs, go to the image section and select upload media and upload from the computer folder which image you want to put on your web 2.0. Simply click on it and open it. Here you can see the images are easily upload to the Wix site. You just have to click on this add to page and here your image will be pasted. So now do same process on this part also. Click on plus, go to the image and select the image you want to put and add to the page, and simply your image will be pasted on the site. After put the image, if you want to redirect your image to your particular website, then simply click on the image, go to the link section and paste your URL and make sure the link open in new tab. Make sure to own this option and save it. Now do same on the images which are you put on your web 2.0 sites and simply go to the link section and put the URL. If you want to add your alt text, then Wix also provide you that option also. Click on the image, go to the setting option. Here is the box which is put your alt text here. Simply paste it and save it. After that you also have the option on Wix to paste your YouTube video of your channel of your website. Just go to this plus icon, go to the video section. Here you paste your YouTube image or the video URL here and just click on this button and you get your YouTube video on your blog section. After that you can go to the setting option. Here you go to the tag section and put your hashtags. Simply paste it and all your hashtags will be loaded to the website. At the end you go to the general section and put your meta description for your web 2.0 on site Wix. You just paste it. Make sure to off your comment option. It's depend upon to you. If you want to on your comment for my proposal, I will off this comment anytime. After that the last process was the category section. Click on category, go down and create your category. Like my keylogger, it was my category, and just click on save option. Now you are all set to publish your Wix web 2.0 content. Just click on publish button and here you go. You can simply copy this URL and paste it from any window, and here is my web 2.0 from Wix site. Thank you.
Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.